All right, this is the BJPKPK sports bottle, insulated sports bottle for hot and cold beverages in coral, 28 ounces. Let's open this thing up and take a look. Take some measurements too. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Feels like nice stainless steel here. Bottle. And this thing is pretty, it's pretty wide. Right off the bat here, looks like we get some information about your item and a sticker in case you want to put the sticker on your car. I was looking for a new travel cup for coffee. So I drink a lot of coffee, and I will absolutely drink 28 ounces of coffee. And I'll take this with me and keep this thing full of coffee all day long. What I like about this as far as traveling in the car goes is that it has 3 different lids on it for me. First one is this straw lid. So you can see it's got the straw that goes down in there and your little thing. You flip it up, and there you go. You drink out of that. Whoop. Drink it out. When you're done, put it back, because I always have problems with drinks spilling in the car. Now, if you're going to take this in your car, you want to make sure that it's going to fit in your car holder. So let's measure this. 3.5 inches on that base. Let me measure it again just to make sure. Yep. So make sure you measure your cup holder to make sure that it's at least 3.5 inches wide to accommodate this if you're taking it in the car. But it's great for bike riding or walking or anything. You can hook it to a bag. It's got, every one of these lids has a hook on it. So obviously, so we have the straw lid. Now we have the handle lid, just a regular handle lid. Say you're making you got a smoothie or something in there, and you want to pound it right out of the bottle because it's a big, thick smoothie. There you go. Take the handle lid with you, and you've got the chug lid right here, which fits on there also with a handle. And this is just unscrews here, and it gives you the nice chug option for you want to slam some water. You're out hiking all day, pound some water out. There you go. This thing's made of food grade 18/8 stainless steel with double insulated walls. According to the literature, it'll keep your cold drinks cold for 24 hours and your hot drinks cold for up to 12 hours. With all the options that you have available with this stainless steel insulated drink bottle, I could see this would be great for the gym, throwing it in the car, again, assuming it'll fit in your car holder. Great to take it to work with you to keep drinks cold or hot. It's great for travel, hiking, riding your bike, whatever you're doing, where you would want to take water with you or any type of drink. So definitely, if you're looking for a good all-purpose stainless steel insulated water bottle, check out the BJPKPK water bottle. Appears to be a good high-quality product, and I'm looking forward to checking it out.